coming to the group story?
Wow, I saw this group sing the first time, and I took note of Paul Gibson, who was singing a very high part, and I was like, wow, he's killing it. And while he's singing, I'm following him, and I'm going, whoa, this dude is really doing something, you know. And so I actually thought, wow, I wonder what it would take to be a part of that group, you know. And sometime after, Paul actually had to migrate, and Pastor called me, and I was like, seriously? Like, what?
Never pluck me from his hand till he returns.
Pauline and Curtis Watson's son. Are you to expect us to believe that you did not know that any of the gift had trickled your direction? Like, trickled down on ya?
I had some idea, but
Some idea?
somewhere in the years of teenagehood, if there's such a word, I decided to rebel against that. You know, as all teenagers do. You know, I tried to rebel and not do what my father does, because I'm not going to be anything like my father. And so as the years went by, I grew more and more like him, and I just realized I couldn't get away from the music.
Wow.